Okay, quick intro on how to upload your site to cyberduck. So this is cyberduck. You want to log into your AWS console. Hopefully you remember how to do that. I'm already on the screen, but you want to get into your EC2. Actually, I'll log out so we can see that again too. So let's just log out of this guy. Just so we can get a fresh into here. So if you go to aws.amazon.com, you want to go to AWS Management Console. It'll ask you for your password again. And then you'll probably get a screen similar to this. You want to get into EC2. And then you can either click on running instances or instances on the left. And the only reason we need to get in here is if you didn't document your public DNS fully qualified domain name here, your host name, or your IP address. You could use either of these, but I typically use this host name. So this is your website. This is where your stuff is located. So I'm going to hit copy, the little piece of paper that kind of appear there when you hover over it. So I'm going to click that, and it's copied. And I'm going to jump into cyberduck. And rather than click open connection, which is the big button there, do not click that. Click this little plus so you have a bookmark so you can go back and do this again later. So the thing we want here is SFTP, and I'm going to call this AWS server, and I'm going to paste in the server there, and we're going to find our private key here. You guys don't have to all follow along. I'm just recording the video. And I want to go down to where I have my stuff stored. So this is that PEM file, the .pem file that you can never lose. So you should do a better job of keeping track of it than I am, apparently. There we go. And this is the one I have. I called it the last time. I hope no, this one. Never lose this file or you will start all over sad face. And then this will be blank. So this is where you'll type in /var/www/html. And that's it. And then you just click the X. On Windows, there'll be an X here. On Mac, it's going to be this close gadget. And then this will be here. The very first time you click connect, you're going to be presented with, and I won't have that here, but you'll be presented with a dialog that'll ask you if the fingerprint is okay. You're going to want to click the checkbox and then click either allow or okay. And then here's your files. So you will open up your file explorer to where your files are at. So in my case, here are my files. So if I want to update my hello world, I will just drag my hello world folder, and note that the directory name has to match exactly. So it's hello-world, all lowercase. It's not capital hello world. There's no spaces. It's not hello world starter. Everything has to be exactly the same. If it's not, then you have to go in and edit this index.html. And also note that you don't want to select these files and just copy those in here, or they will overwrite the index.html and the styles that are in here already. Okay, you want to grab this whole folder and just copy it right over the top. Okay, now it's going to ask me, am I sure I want to do that, because I'm overwriting the files, and I do. And that is that. That is how we add our projects. Pretty easy once we get it set up. So that is done. And now if we want to verify that, I can just go up to my browser and I can paste my address in there, click on Hello World, and here's my project. All fancy. That is that.